Hello, everyone. I'm Louise Marshall, Head of Customer Training at RosterElf. Thanks for joining me as we explore the basics of rostering in RosterElf. Getting familiar with roster views. Click the Roster tab at the top. Select a view like by staff, by position, or by site. Use by staff to see hours per person and minimize overtime. Use by position for larger teams with specific role requirements. Use by site to track coverage and costs across multiple locations. Managing roster periods and filters. Switch between daily, weekly, or monthly roster periods. Click the calendar icon to reset to the current date. Filter by site if you have multiple locations. Choose a staff member filter to focus on their schedule. Clear filters when you want to see all shifts again. Quick tips for efficient scheduling. Expand the financial summary to check total hours and labor costs. Click the Add icon to create new shifts with position, time, and staff. Copy or move shifts by hovering or dragging them. Edit shift details as needed to keep rosters accurate. Confirm your changes, then publish to share with your team. Thanks for watching. We're always here if you need support. Happy rostering!